Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Cloudflare WARP connection on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Cloudflare WARP connection on Windows, first, locate the Cloudflare WARP application on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click the application to launch it. Once the application is open, check the status of the connection at the main interface. If you see that the connection is inactive, click the Connect button. Wait for a few seconds while the application establishes the connection. If it fails to connect, proceed to the next step. Open the Windows settings by pressing the Windows key and selecting the gear icon. In the Settings menu, navigate to Network and Internet. On the left side, select VPN. Check if there are, consider disconnecting or disabling them temporarily. Now, go back to the Cloudflare WARP application. Click on Settings located in the lower left corner of the window. In the Settings menu, toggle the WARP option off and then back on. This can help refresh the connection settings. Next, go to the Network tab in the same Settings menu. Ensure that the DNS settings are configured to Cloudflare. If not, change it to Cloudflare and click Save. Try clicking the Connect button again. If the connection still does not work, restart your computer. After the restart, open the Cloudflare WARP application again. Attempt to connect once more. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the WARP application. To do this, go to Apps in the Windows Settings menu. Find Cloudflare WARP in the list and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, download the latest version from the Cloudflare website. Install the application and repeat the connection steps. This should restore your WARP connection successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.